You know there ain't another girl like her in the city. No, you know she looks so good, but she ain't so pretty.
There's a car track up there which should be good to land on. It looks pretty firm. How do you guys feel about random flying videos to a disc? Just let's go flying. Let's look at the setup, the pre-flight, and take off, and let's just go there and have a chat along the way and talk about what we see, talk about what I'm doing in the aircraft. Yeah, just basically have a day out flying together rather than trying to make some sort of technical, educational, explanational video. Let me know in the comments how you feel about that. I'm sure I should mix it up a bit. I do like to mix the videos up, if you haven't noticed. I do a variety of different things. I can't just do the same thing all the time. Some people say that I should stick to flying stuff, but sometimes it's about cameras, because I'm about cameras as well. It's my job. I'm a photographer. I don't make a very good job of editing sometimes, but you know, sometimes there's a deadline. Well, I rush to get it done because I'm short on time with my work. And I'm just trying to get the videos out to you so that you got something to watch each weekend. Hope you enjoy them. I know I don't get them right all the time, but you know, I have fun doing them as I'm flying now. I like flying with a reason. So this, making this video of the dam, because this is the follow-up rain video, if you like. Oh, they're not. This is the rain that came, how much effect has it actually had on the dam since we filmed it last time. You getting sick yet, all the twisties? I didn't intend to do that. Like, I'm just following around the tops of the tributaries. Just give it some juice, get around there. It's pretty cool fun doing a slalom in a trike. Maybe that's what we'll call this video. I see footprints down there in the mud. That's really close to the water, so I wouldn't land near the water. Now we're back to where we started from. Full lap of Lenthal Dam. Right, we're going to head out of here. We're going to head over to the ocean now. Don't know if I'll film any more. If we see anything, I'll let you know.